All right, Crush, here is your last workout of the week for Friday. The two physical skills we haven't talked about yet are balance, which is your ability to center your mass over a singular structure. And the best way we work on balance in CrossFit, or a good example is over at squats. That's a great way to balance and control your center of gravity over a singular point. And then the other one that we haven't talked about yet is coordination, and that's the ability to move separate movement patterns into one singular movement pattern. So the best example of that is double unders. Be able to move your hands one way and jump and combine that into one single movement is coordination. So to sum it up, again, we have the 10 general physical skills. We talked about them all week, and I think that's really one of the best examples or best ways to explain CrossFit to somebody is the sense that we work on all of that stuff. We work on strength and power. We work on stamina and endurance. We work on agility and endurance, flexibility. We work on all of that definitely within a month's time frame. Hopefully within a week, we touch on pretty much all of that stuff at some point. Whereas again, if you have somebody that just runs every day, they're working on their endurance and that's it. If you have somebody that just lifts and lifts really heavy every day with the 3 major lifts, squat, deadlift, and bench, they're just working on just their strength. There's a lot of areas of fitness and fitness, holistic view of fitness, the whole thing. We can run, we can lift, we can go fast, we can go slow, we can have some coordination, we can do all these things, and that's something we do as CrossFitters. So I think if you have anybody that asks what CrossFit is, I really think this is a great way to explain what CrossFit is to people. And I end all of my very first on-ramp sessions with this, essentially, talking about the 10 general physical skills. I think that is the best way to explain what is CrossFit. All right, last workout of the week. Speaking of on-ramp, there's 4 on-ramp sessions, and each one has a workout at the end of it. And the one we're going to do today is the end of the 3rd session, and I think it could actually be one of the worst workouts, so I programmed it for the gym. 21-15-9 of med ball cleans and ring rows. To RX today, the med ball cleans are 30 pounds for the guys, 20 for the ladies. If you do ring rows, your heels need to be on a box, so you're pretty much parallel to the ground, making the ring rows as tough as possible. RX2 is a 20-pound ball and a 14-pound ball, and the ring rows, you can be some other variation of the ring rows. 21-15-9 of those. Remember on the med ball cleans, please remember that there are 2 squats in a med ball clean. You're supposed to squat down and get the ball, stand up all the way, and get a second squat before you put the ball down. That's a proper med ball clean. And the coach, will talk about that on Friday. Actually, I don't think I'm here much on Friday. Along with that, 21 med ball cleans, 21 ring rows, and we're gonna go 9-7-5 of wall walks. So 21 med ball cleans, 21 ring rows, 9 wall walks. 15 med ball cleans, 15 ring rows, 7 wall walks, 9-9-5. So 21-15-9 med ball cleans and ring rows, and 9-7-5 wall walks. That's your Friday workout. That's slight variation of the 3rd workout we do with the on-ramp session. Again, use those 10 general physical skills. Great way to tell people what CrossFit is and explain to them what CrossFit is and how we work as our entire fitness, not just one portion of it. Have a good Friday. Have a good weekend.